Why does your scanner show the P007F engine code? What does it mean? P007F is a diagnostic trouble code for charge air cooler temperature sensor bank 1 or bank 2 correlation. This engine code indicates that this issue points to a faulty sensor, wiring problem, or a damaged intercooler itself, and can lead to decreased engine performance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty sensor, wiring issues, damaged charge air cooler, malfunctioning ECM or PCM, air inlet or filter problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Mercedes, and Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.